pretty good chance you'll likely remember this fire, the video from it, the third one that we have discussed tonight so far. This is the one from last week, day before Thanksgiving. Flames forced several residents, including a couple and their toddler. You watch a spot shadow. They had to jump out of that third floor of the Dallas apartment complex. Well, today the city of Dallas asked a judge to order a mandatory evacuation of residents from all of the complex's other buildings. I-Team reporter Brian New was in the courtroom today. He is live now from the George Allen Civil Courthouse with what this all means. Brian?
Yeah, Doug, so that judge denied the city's request, but did give the apartment owners 7 days to make sure every smoke detector and fire sprinkler head in its other buildings are working and up to fire code. This isn't the first time that this judge has dealt with this apartment complex. 14 months ago, the city of Dallas sued this same apartment complex and in a lawsuit claimed that it was an unsafe place to live.
With no other way out, they jumped. A mother forced to send her 1-year-old daughter falling 3 stories.
It was no other choice. It was traumatizing because I'm like, what if he don't catch her? What if she hit something? It was all the what ifs.
It's a scenario no parent wants to imagine. But one Dallas councilman, Mark Clayton, says for years he's feared.
I'm not surprised at all. I'm saddened. I'm especially saddened for the residents who have been neglected and taken advantage of by a slumlord. But this is exactly what I thought would happen.
In September 2017, the city sued the ownership of the Meadows on Ferguson apartments, calling the property a hub for drug use and sales. When city inspectors went inside and took these pictures, according to the lawsuit, they found extremely dilapidated and unsanitary conditions, including rodent and insect infestations, uncapped sewer connections, water leaks, and absent smoke detectors. The city cited the complex with 64 different code violations, including 11 fire codes. Clayton said he hoped the lawsuit would pressure the owner to fix the problems. He says it has not.
They have aggressively and defiantly taken every step they can to pay their lawyers instead of paying to repair their property.
But the attorney for the complex told the I-Team that's not true. He says the owners have been spending a lot of money to fix the problems. In fact, he says, as agreed upon in this court document, every fire code violation was resolved this past summer. The building that burned, the attorney says, had been recently inspected and had working fire sprinklers and smoke detectors.
It is the single biggest wart in my district.
Clayton says he feels like the court system has been too lenient on the apartment owners and given them too much time to fix the problems. The case has been dragged out now for more than a year, with a trial date set for March 2019.
If they don't do something to improve their property, the next time that a baby's dropped from a window, that baby might not be caught. And I think that's really disheartening that we've even gotten to this point.
So we mentioned that we talked to the attorney of the apartment complex. As for who actually owns it, its listed owner is a company that goes by the name EAL Dallas Holdings LLC. The company's manager is based out of New Jersey, and after we did a little digging, we found that he's connected to several other LLCs as well as several other North Texas apartment complexes. Doug, we are investigating those.
Brian New, thank you for looking into this. And if you have a situation, anything you'd like the I-Team to investigate, be sure to write them a note.